What's up, guys? Pandora, the Postcard Diva. How's everybody doing out there today? I hope you're having a great and wonderful day. If you're here for the very first time, please smash it, smash it. Smash that subscribe button for me and click that notification bell so you can be notified each and every time I upload new videos. All right, I'm back today, guys, because it is direct mail marketing, postcard marketing season. The end of the year, everybody's making their New Year's resolutions, not just on direct mail, but in home-based business, period. But direct mail definitely picks up this time of the year. Okay, so we are getting ready for the week to mail out our postcards. This particular one program right here, I've been an affiliate for 6 years. The Postcard Tycoon, you can earn $300 over and over and over. Mailbox money. Go to that website, thepostcarddiva.com. Also, when you go there, you're going to see my high ticket postcard program where you can make $1,000 commissions as well. But we're talking about the Tycoon right here. $300 a sale, guys. Okay, over and over and over and over. No pass-ups with this. You see this postcard, this is what you're going to get, the template. Okay, it comes with 250 postcards, okay, and 250 leads. When you sign up with me, I'm going to send you 500 leads, okay? This program also comes, the company gives you what they call the 5 for life. After every 5th sale, they're going to send you 500 postcards, 500 leads, and 500 stamps. Okay, how cool is that? As you can see right here, I'm covering up my leads, okay, so I don't display people's addresses. All right, so that's the Tycoon. So if you don't want to worry about marketing online, doing any of the online stuff, postcard marketing is where it's at. 300 a pop. All right, but while we're talking about that, we also got the cash cow. It never stopped earning. The cash cow, this one right here, you earn $100 commissions over and over on 2 tiers. This one's $300 to get in. You're gonna mail in 3 money orders for this one. 2 tiers. Every time one of your teammates makes $100, you make $100. This is also money order, so you're gonna get paid via money order, paid directly to you in your name. The cash cow is $300 money order and a $198 money order. So you're talking about right at $500 to get in. Mail your money orders, your payments all to WTM. All the information is on the website. Okay, once they get the payment, I will mail you guys your leads. Okay, if you join me in the cash cow, I'm going to mail you 200 leads. Okay, guys? So direct mail marketing is where it's at. If you busy, don't have a lot of time to market online, don't want to deal with online marketing, go with postcard marketing, direct mail marketing. All right. If you have any questions, feel free to give me a call, guys. Thank you so much for checking out the video. Don't forget to smash it, that subscribe button for me, and click the notification bell so you can be notified each and every time I upload new videos. See you guys on the next video. Have a blessed day.